then the third question is, what is the level of regulation and supervision for cooperatives versus life insurance companies here in the Philippines?
Okay, very good question. So,
Kana.
in terms sa kanang gusto rin kag kwarta, you need to make sure that that specific corporation, that specific company is well regulated sa government.
Yes.
No, kay in kaso unsa metabo naay magukod, no, especially na mo back up na to na government, no, which mga laws. Okay, so sa cooperative, no, ang regulatory body sa cooperative is tawag og Cooperative
Development
Authority. Okay, so CDA, and regulated siya sa NCC, which stands for National Credit Council. So mo na mga regulatory body sa ato ang mga co-op nga mga kanang companies. Okay, and then of course sa life insurance, natay regulatory body which is the Insurance Commission.
So, for those people, bitaw nga, parang maingon nga, ay, this is, parang bitaw magduaduha mo on that specific product. Naman dyan may nga, no? It's normal sa, valid naman po na ilang makon, it's the past experience, but maingon mo sila nga, ay, scam na nga na, but in the first place, it was checked or, you know, regulate gina ni Insurance Commission. So, di na siya mo push through unless kung naa sila kung ano signal, okay, go deploy it.
Yes. Para na ng mga small and medium enterprise sa mga negosyo. Hindi ka pwede ka pauligya diya kung wala ka business permit, wala ka barangay permit, wala ka regulation, no, kung mga pagkaunan, food, no, na kuan, nga regulatory body. Kana. So, of course, kung naa siya regulatory body, meaning okay na siya company.